What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I have the new Lattafa Khamrah Dukhan here. Hoping I'm pronouncing that right, but we're gonna give it a shot. This is a complete blind buy, a fragrance regret, or a fragrance love. We'll never know. Blind buys are always risky. I would not recommend blind buying, but you can't deny it. So when I ordered this one, I actually ordered the original Comra too. I know it's a heavy hype beast. Everybody and their mother has it, but I never owned it. I only owned the Qahwa version, so I got the original one too, which am I happy about? Not particularly, but I think it's cool because I round out the whole collection, even though I don't wear this fragrance DNA at all. All right, they decorated the new bottle with the blood, sweat, and tears that the original one gave us. It's like a cherry kind of red that's almost like it's been sitting in a pool of Kool-Aid, which I'm not opposed to. I don't know what this one is. Maybe they added a cherry note. That would be cool. If not, Lattafa's probably already working on that, but let's give it a shot. In the air, it smells like an arts and crafts store. Okay, it's nice. God, it smells like an arts and crafts store. All right, so heavy in the vanilla. The vanilla is just ever present. It's very lovely, sweet. It's almost coming across like tobacco vanille in a sense, not like with a Hobby Lobby attached to it. This is the scent of Hobby Lobby or any kind of hobby store. It smells like those fake apples that you get at Halloween time. Yeah, it's pretty woody and very, actually a lot of like labdanum, this like nice rich kind of warm ambery, almost animalic kind of thing on a bed of vanilla. It's like vanilla in here. There's so much vanilla. A bit of a kind of an apple-y kind of thing too, like a little fruitiness, like a little hint of it. In the top, there's some spice and some citrus, like every fragrance known to mankind. In the mid, you have some labdanum and orange blossom too. There's also that orange blossom. I'm glad I'm kind of picking up a little bit of that. It's not like an overdone orange blossom at all. It's just a little bit of a floralness. And in the base, there's once again that praline that comes in and provides like the sugary sweetness and tobacco. A really interesting kind of addition to this whole DNA. Tobacco, I think, is the next step for their DNA. But yeah, currently it smells like a holiday time sweet department store Halloween section. Yeah, that's a good description. Like Comra. Let's spray this one on. I have not tried this one yet. See, that one's a lot better. Yeah, currently it's like nothing really special. It's a vanilla fragrance. Definitely, if this one is getting a lot of hype on the internet, it's probably pushed out from the brand. There's really nothing really crazy that's going on here that's different enough that I would justify buying it. I mean, I did buy it. I'm the sucker here. But yeah, I think it's nice and sweet fall time fragrance. This is a wintertime beast. That tobacco note is giving it a little bit of masculine edge to it, whatever that's supposed to mean. You're not gonna smell too much like a douchebag. You're gonna smell more like a Christmas time, Christmas tree, pregnancy waiting to happen. Sweet, delectable man that knows how to get his ho-ho-hos on. I don't know what the fuck that's supposed to mean, but take with that what you will. Yeah, as far as a rating, I don't really love this DNA. I have the Qahwa version, and I think this is great. I like the coffee note in here. This is a really good fragrance. But once again, I don't know when I'm ever smelling like this. Like, it's like twice a year that I'm spraying on one of these DNAs. I'm just gonna spray on this one because I'm spraying it on when I'm going to have a family dinner or a fall time. I don't know when the fuck I'm wearing this. If you like to smell like a fall department store, this is great. 10 out of 10. Currently, it's all right. It's okay. This DNA only appeals to certain people. If you want to smell like a sweet vanilla divine angel on the holidays, fall time, mainly fall time, maybe even a Christmas dinner, go with it. It's really good smelling. It's gonna linger in the air, catch people's nostrils, and you'll probably get a compliment from your grandma. Congratulations, you're wearing a fragrance to grandma's house. I would just go with the Qahwa version. It's a fantastic coffee kind of smell. Lovely stuff. Go with this one. But have you guys tried it? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your take on the new Khamrah Dukhan. Thank you so much for watching the video, everyone. We'll see you next time.